This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's having a great night. Ready for a great day. Oh, quick dip there. Out of the blue all of a sudden. But hold on, give me 1 minute. I have two things I need to do that I forgot to do. Boom, boom. That's number one. And I don't even remember what number two was, so we'll just get to our thing. Okay, let's look at the markets overnight. ES dipped and coming back up. 51.95 the low. Looks like the high was the very first candle at 52.13. So 13.95, that's 18 points in range. And Q dipped down to 103. Its high was 176, so I can do that math. That's 73 points in range. Copper, yeah, about 100 ticks in range. Gold, about 13 points. Everything seems to be moving a little bit less than it has been in the overnight. About 3/4 of a point in range there on Ultra Bond crude oil. Trying to get back up to 80, which it hasn't been at for a few days. It's like about 70 ticks of range there. Natural gas coming down. And Bitcoin trying to bounce off 60,000. So that's where we sit stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. So, oh yeah, I guess I should start my phone. That's the other thing I wanted to do. Oh, no, it's not what I wanted. Wrong thing. So, there we go. That's what I need. Okay. So give me a second. Sorry, there we go. Okay, so market to market. We've moving a little bit. We have news this morning. We actually have news today. What news do we have? Jobless claims, of course. That's what we have every Thursday. Jobless claims coming up here in about 25 minutes. And that's it, actually. Not a lot of news, just that. Wow. I thought there was something else today, but there isn't. Besides natural gas, and like hardly anyone trades that. It's interesting. The Bank of England, Governor Bailey, is saying much different things than the United States Fed is saying. He just said it's possible we'll need to cut rates more than currently priced into the markets. So that's kind of an interesting statement. Hey, Nico, how you doing? It's kind of grinding right now. So how's your trading been going, Nico? That's very much enough. I mean, I pretty much go for base hits too. 5 to 10 points. I don't do any of those 50-point moves. Even if I do dream about them. No. Comes down a little bit. pushing down. So let's see, how far did that go? 152 down to about 9 so far. A little rangy. Let's see. $10-point move down. Not bad. Not bad at all. I hear the train a-coming. Interesting bounce there. See where we go. Where's everybody on this Thursday morning? That little pop there did not work, as you can see, which kind of was expected for where the signal line was. About 15 minutes till news. Hey Chris, how you doing? We have jobless claims coming up. We can see if that's going to move the market. 15 minutes, 14 minutes. It's our only real news of the day. It'll pop up. Yeah, should have taken that blue, but these slower times it's hard to tell. But that's okay. We will get the next one. Remember, folks, you're welcome to join us in the chat. Do like everybody to feel as comfortable here as they want. Whether if you don't want to chat, that's fine too. I have never forced anyone to talk, at least not since my days in the CIA. So hanging around 18,149. So again, overnight highs, 176 overnight low at 103. I should mark those. 176, 103. 176, 103. There we go. Close enough for government work. There we go. Those are marked. Look for those overnight highs and lows as levels. few minutes to our news. We'll start spreading the news. Reminder tomorrow, tonight, or whatever you want to say. MightyOxTrading After Dark and After Light too. Join me for a special 9-hour long futures trading live stream. We are going to trade both the London and the New York Opens, 2 a.m. to 11 a.m. Plus, we're doing a giveaway. We're going to be giving one of those wonderful Blue Sky Static Growth Plus Eval accounts. The entry form will be available for the entire length of the stream, so you don't have to be there at a certain time. You can just stop in, fill out the entry form, and leave again if you want. Winner will be announced at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So join me for this special 9-hour stream. We used to do these every month. Maybe we'll bring them back. We'll see how this one goes. Hope you'll join me for some or all of this long futures trading live stream. Just rise up quick, up to 159. Five minutes till news. Hey, John. Good morning. How are you? Yepers. It's like the only red folder of the entire week. So hanging around 161. I have to remember to put the Mountain Dew on ice then. Oh, nice. That's an excellent day, John. Excellent. Hey, Robin. How are you? Yes, they do. And then they're like, screw you. I'm doing good. 30 seconds till unemployment news. Looking like it's going to drop, but we'll see. Oh, well, I'm glad I didn't make that prediction. New high day. Wow. Boom shakalaka. Fade that move. Maybe. Unsure what it wants to do here. Oh, there's a pot. No. Not giving me. Nope. Glad I did not fade that move. That would have been bad. Jobless claims 231K. They expected 212K, so that was a miss, and that's why it's all happy. More signs that the economy is possibly slowing. Yes, actually it does, John. Whenever it looks like the economy is slowing, people think that means the Fed would be more likely to lower interest rates. Lower interest rates makes the market happy. So right now, bad news is good news. Yeah, I mean, it's just topsy-turvy. And I'm glad I didn't try and fade that move. Still heading up. So now let's take a gander at yesterday. Yesterday. All our troubles seem so far away. High a day yesterday was 242. So still got like 50 points away from that. 201 could be resistance, but we'll see. Not going to keep moving that yellow line. I mean, that white line. Rising up. It's about to ready. Easy for me to say. About to hit 200. See if it gets there. So now we're pulling back. Kind of missed the entry there. But that's okay. So I'm up about $145 on my Topstep X Eval from last night on a trade on the NKD. It worked out nicely. It's the only trade I took last night. It was slow as heck. Still falling now. So it's trying to give back the move. You can see it's already given back this part of the move. Now it's starting to dig into that actual news candle. Stalling around 180. Bouncing a little. And it's trying to curl back down. So you allowed to golf today, John? Or? I will be napping this evening to prepare for my 9-hour stream tomorrow. Uh, just nothing really new. I mean, I'm doing a 9-hour stream tomorrow. And we were actually talking a lot about you last night on the evening stream. Oh, absolutely. About your payouts and how consistent you are and continue to increase and all that fun stuff. G-Man's like, I don't know why everybody just isn't on the Discord asking her what she's doing. Hanging around 200. Yep. And we pointed that out too. And whenever G-Man talks about you, he always points out your don't diddle in the middle. But I think he just likes saying it. Nice. Hanging right below 18,200 here on NQ. It's touched it a couple times, but has not gone higher. Can you take us higher? Trading the Blue Sky competition account. During my 9-hour stream that starts at 2 a.m. Eastern tomorrow, my goal is to trade at least one trade on every one of my accounts. That'll include my Topstep funded, my Apex funded, my Topstep Eval, my funded futures. No, funded futures network. I always mix those up. Flexytrade, Phoenix Trader funding, and I think there's one I'm forgetting. Yeah, I think there's one I'm forgetting, but we'll figure that out. We had to get the move down here. That purple candle ended up being a good signal. Slowly grinding down. Where will we reverse? I need to start taking these purple candles. I was just taking the reversals, but see, that one would have worked nicely. So these are still a slow grind, though. I mean, our ATR is still under, well, about 3. Nice slow grind. Up and down. Computer's running warm. Watch that. Oh, back down to 179. So look at that. We are, well, see here it came down. We fiddled around here, fiddled around this area here. Will it bounce again? Like it did last hour? Oh, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe so. Maybe not. Sometimes I annoy myself when I listen to myself. I'm not sure how you guys do it. Good morning, Speed Racer. 10 minutes to the top of the hour. 40 minutes until the bell. Hanging right on 180. And it just popped back up. Didn't really give me a signal for that. So we continue to wait for our first trade of the morning. Linux. Oh, wow. How are you doing, my friend? Oxworld's doing good, doing good. Preparing for my overnight London stream tomorrow. Mountain Dew's on ice. Morning, Rad. Yes, I absolutely agree it was. And we're back up to just under 200, just under the high of the day again. 200 half was where we topped out on this move up. Pulls back. So again, could not get through that level. And you can see here, if we look at this chart, you can see this is the same level as it, yesterday. Down, up, down, and then it tried to come back up, and this is 201 is where it stopped yesterday afternoon. before heading back down. So we're hitting that same wall. Gotta see if it can break the wall. The wall comes tumbling down near the wall. Can you imagine how much I'm gonna sing during the 9 hours? Way back in the day, uh, uh, Robin, I used to do a once a month Europe stream that ran into my normal New York time. I had stopped it for a long while, but bringing it back tomorrow, we'll see. I might do it once a month. So I'm streaming from 2 a.m. Eastern to 11 a.m. Eastern. I'm not sure I know many blues tunes. Gets a few new eyes on the stream. I've picked up a few new people back in the day that way. I've never fallen asleep on one of the overnight streams. I have fallen asleep on evening streams. Nice move back down here. There you go, falling again, back down to that 180 number. So we've been kind of bouncing here around 178 to 200. I can look at GC. G-Man only does ES. What would you like me to look at with GC? 1 minute chart. Oh, let me look. Oh, I guess I need to actually have volume on the gold chart. Oop, hold on. Okay, I see it. I have no idea. I've never looked at whether or not the volume spike works on other assets or not. So I can't really say anything. G-Man is exclusively ES. So doesn't seem like that worked. I see the volume spike and it did come down. We'll see. Maybe it's starting to try and curl up. So we'll keep an eye on it and see what it does. No, usually a volume spike leads to a reversal. You can see it might be. We'll see where it goes. You see it kind of trickled, and now trying to push up. So we'll see. Yeah, but I will say it works on NQ as well. We are. Oh, you know what? The other thing there, Rad, is gold almost all. Yeah, that probably wouldn't even qualify anyway because gold always does something right at the top of the 9 in Eastern hour. So probably wouldn't count it either way. Crude oil opened coming down. G-Man, Robin's here. She said her ears were burning last night. So it's going for that 200 again, 201. Can it break through this time? Sid Chase, look at all these good traders here right now. Welcome, Sid. How are you? How's the farm? Oh yeah, you got the storms that have been blowing through the country and destroying a lot of crap. So we did get a slight new high up to 204. ES also just about at high day. "24 minutes until the bell." Anybody taking any trades yet this morning besides the people that have already told me they've taken trades this morning? I know John's taking a good trades this morning. Oh yeah, I should have figured, yeah. There we go, it's bursting up a little bit more. Robin, we were debating a little bit last night. You really don't use a trade copier, right? You just do a couple trades on each account, kind of get a couple out of the way on one, do the next one, next one, next one for the most part, right? It's a nice little grind up now. Okay, there you go, guys. Copier on evals, but never on the PAs. I said you didn't really trust the copier, but I thought that was what was. I thought that's what I was remembering, but I wanted to make sure. She doesn't mean sunburn from the garden. Can't apply sunscreen to the trade copier. Kind of messes up the computer. And we're coming down. So again, we're just grind up, pulls back. Little volume spike there. Let's see. Not really. Looked like it, but usually you're seeing a volume spike, you're seeing way flatter. So no, not a volume spike. At least not in my opinion. It did pop back up some. We move the white line again, which signifies the high, 210 the high now. Yep, remember those? Yeah, definitely on the jobs. Yeah, but yeah, I was looking to fade that, and I mean, it didn't really do what I thought it was going to do. So I never actually faded it. Missing that purple candle was my big mistake in the morning, though. That was like 4 minutes later. Purple candle was not the most convincing purple candle in the world. So what the heck? Well, how much of a target that is that? Oh, well, I have a 10 point in there. Oops. Oh, let's bring it down to here. It's a 3-point stop. I need to move my target. It's up to 5. See if it goes for me, if it bounces here. It looks like it wants to bounce. Yeah, maybe not. One tick winner. Woohoo! But I got out before it went against me, so I'm happy. Hey, 3.0. How you doing this morning? Dips back down. We're hanging right around 200, which was that support resistance area earlier. Good to see you. I'm glad you dropped by. They're just regular Bollinger Bands based on a 20 SMA. Yeah, we're falling further. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Trying to pop back up. We have 10 minutes from the bell. Oh, ace. There you are. I was just ready to say there's no ace, but I missed you. Sorry. Have a great day, Robin. Thanks for stopping in. Take some pictures of your Europe trip next week. Post them on the Discord so we can all see what kind of fun you're having. How you doing today, Ace? Sorry I missed you. RJ's not here yet. I'm at. Good to see you, my friend. How are things? Have missed you. Yeah, NQ. I know you're coming over from Forex. Just NQ on futures, yes. Nothing much. I mean, no real life-changing experiences. But if you're around at all tomorrow, I'm doing a 9-hour stream from 2 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern. No payout yet, no. Working on it. What's been going on with you? I'm at. How's your trading? Where are you at? All right, that's okay. We hope to see you back soon. Well, Ace, I never thought about it that deeply, but that's actually a good point. So, darn it, what am I going to do with that half-built time machine now? Yeah, there we go. That's a good idea. Your attention, please. Ace is considering going long. Choppy here, just below 18,200 as we head toward the bell. Maybe it's time traveling. No. Yeah, ace. It's not working out. Whoa, big dip there. And by big, I mean a whole 4 points, but still relatively big. Two-minute warning from ace. Places everyone, grab your coffee, soda, donut, whatever you're having for breakfast. Be in your chair. Whoa, ace. I don't. That word doesn't come out of your mouth, or is it out of your fingers when you're typing that often? I was just gonna say, don't remember not to revenge trade, and then that sentence appears. Ace, you're going to give him a big head. Rising up here at the bell. Boom by 6. Morning, Tio. And right back down. All right, trying to rise back up. We're long off that blue candle. It's a risk. Yeah, it's gonna. Ooh, yeah, stop me right out. It was stupid. It down, up, lower, high, right back down. Hanging around that 18,180. We've been here a few times this morning. Trying to bounce back up. Not really going right now yet. falling some more. Not afraid of fall. Oh, look at that drop. $102 is our low a day. Tries to bounce. Nice, Sid. Needs to rain down there more often so you can get some trades in. Do you have Brooks working out in the rain still, or? Ace is going short. Let's see if the market bends to his will this time. It's really not agreeing with you today, is it, Ace? Oh, here it goes. There you go. I think. I don't know where you entered, but hey, the sale that just happened for a bread in my room. Do I get a commission on this? No. All right, Ace. At least it's not Patrick Wheeland. Yeah, Patrick's over the top. G-Man go boom. Nice, G-Man. G-Man getting 10 this morning. Excellent, Sid. You're getting close to NQ's edge, low of 102. I haven't marked. It's not in view yet, but 103.75 actually. Close enough. Down 65 points on this hourly candle. Still trying to figure out what it wants to do here. Still falling. Struggling to get through there though. Let's see. This might be an edge. See where it goes. Trying to pop. Has a little cradle there. The candles in the cradle and the silver. Little boy blue and a man on the moon. It's the second time this week, RJ. See me after class. We need to talk about this tardiness. Hey, son. Oh, maybe it was last week. I don't know. All runs together. Yep. Try to pay up soon, Tio. It's going to go in your credit report. Excellent, RJ. Yep. Remember, folks, 9 hours tomorrow. Mighty Ox Trading After Dark. And After Light, too. Join me for a special 9-hour long futures trading live stream. We are going to trade both the London and the New York Opens, 2 a.m. to 11 a.m. Plus, we're doing a giveaway. We're going to be giving one of those wonderful Blue Sky Static Growth Plus Eval accounts. The entry form will be available for the entire length of the stream, so you don't have to be there at a certain time. You can just stop in, fill out the entry form, and leave again if you want. Winner will be announced at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So join me for this special 9-hour stream. We used to do these every month. Maybe we'll bring them back. We'll see how this one goes. Hope you'll join me for some or all of this long futures trading live stream. No, he was talking. He was making. He was joking around that he owes me money. He doesn't actually owe me money, and that I put out a lien on his house. You have a baseball tryout? Have the Jays gotten that bad? Yeah, YM is running up nicely. Hey, wait, keep mentioning jazz and stuff, Tio, for my commercials, and I'm going to put you in charge of ad production. Oh, yeah. Figure out how to make it viral. Heading back up. So we got down to 108. So that's close. 103 was our low. It didn't quite get there, but you can see the bounce here. Now let's see if it comes back down or if it just this is a reversal. Hoping it comes back down, retests, and gives me another chance to get in here. Well, that'll probably attract this crowd to you. Devil went down to Georgia looking for a soul to steal. Mm. Looks like I jumped out too early on that one. It came down on me, but right back up. Still fighting here, though. A nice rise back up. Still trying 146. Wow, nice pop. Where are we going from here? Our high was 210. Our low was 103. We are pretty much right in the middle of that. 158, 157 somewhere. Oh, ace is back. That ace got us too. And rising up. Rising up. Rising up. Ooh, there's a whoosh. So we're trying to head back up toward highs. Ace has got a runner. Okay. Do you mean subscribed or member? If you weren't subscribed, you would not be able to chat because the chat is subscribers only. If you mean member, then then the answer is no. You're not. If you were, you would have that little star next to your name like Ace does. Right. So right now you're not because you would have the star. You must be my lucky star. Oh, sorry. I was gonna take this short. I really like that setup. I didn't trust it. It's going down 8 points. Yeah, look at that nice fall. Keep maxing them out for the wedding. Great recovery, Ace. Yeah, dropped nicely. Almost 20 points now. I'm just saving all the trades for the 9-hour stream. Excellent job, Sid. Yeah, right. G-Man. Back up to 173. Falling. Got up to 179, which, and there's that lower high that I think G-Man was talking about. Coming back down to this mess where it was messing around. Let's see if it drops. And if we're heading lower. Why did it sound like Arnold Schwarzenegger? Lower. I'm late, but I'm short. Boom, late didn't matter. Look at that. 10 points. There we go. Took that short off the purple. And we got 10. Thank you, Ace. Thank you, thank you. uh, that's how fast moods can change in trading. Try to push back up. It's hanging here at 150. Quick, let's look at gold. Did move up some and now pulling back. Ultra bond continue. Oh, Ultra bond had an interesting bounce there and right back down. Crude fell hard, rebounded. Grinding back down, so we got down to 134 there. See if it double bottoms or it bounces. We're long. Just needs to go, and it's not. We're out. Took the small loss. Once I saw the purple candle, like it was reversing right back down. Yeah, it did. And here's NQ doing the same up to 155. Join the club, Hassan. NQ spiked up to 162. It's sideways here now, 160. Put one down. Trying to push. Late as usual. Short though. Dips, dips, dips. Right. Come on, go. Bounce. Oh, not giving it to me. Now it's going to give it to me, but dipping. Should have stayed in. That's okay. Nice blue bounce. I got, wouldn't have got 10 there anyway. But should have played that blue bounce. Still trying to pop up. I forgot about natural gas inventories. Not that I trade that, or I don't think anybody here trades natural gas, but looks like natural gas liked its inventories. Yeah, we really haven't. We're home, home on the range, home sweet home. Still cold out there, huh, Ace? When are you gonna get summer? Like July? Hey, Cossack, how's it going? Oh, nice pop. Back up to almost 180. Think we're gonna get to 200? See, my day's up and down. Let's see, you're in a long off of 1425. So I'm gonna check that 1425. Oh, so out here? Yeah, there, I see it. Okay, I see it. Nice rise, nice rise. Up to 188. Almost there, Cossack. No, I don't think. Hold on. Maybe. Actually, maybe we are. Yeah, I guess we are. 53.33. I didn't think we were, but yeah, I have 53.33 half. Came in April. That's right. Yeah. So about 107 points away. Wow. Beautiful hourly candle there. Beautiful Cossack. There's 206. We broke 200. Next week's going to be an interesting week with CPI and see where the market goes from there. Market's probably like I gave you 206. That should be close enough. There we go. Come on, there's 208. See if we bounce off the highs. 209, hit 209. There you go, Hassan. Hits 213. Shorting. Find that bounce off the high. Tight stop using that purple candle as the trigger. And the fact that it just hit the high. Not going though, not going as fast as I thought. Come on. Oh, Home on the range. Drop, drop, drop. There. Yes. No. I should. All right, Ace. We'll see you tomorrow. Boom. Target hit. Wow. I'll give myself some credit for that. Look at that trade. I got in off this purple candle, and the old me would have gotten out somewhere in this here, and I just stuck with it and got my target. Have a good one, Ace. Nice call on the bounce there. All right. Oh, that was right there. That's my perfect setup right there. That was a nice trade to take. Back down to the same area, 193. There you go, Hassan. There's 189, 187. It's a 187 on an NQ trade. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I was gonna say. Remember that just like getting too low can be bad, getting too high can be bad. It's kind of just sitting here. Dow's still going. Looks like Dow was still going up, pulling back a little bit. Yes, it starts about 15 hours from now, 2 a.m. Eastern, 1 a.m. Central. Mighty Ox Trading After Dark and After Light too. Join me for a special 9-hour long futures trading live stream. We are going to trade both the London and the New York Opens, 2 a.m. to 11 a.m. Plus, we're doing a giveaway. We're going to be giving one of those wonderful Blue Sky Static Growth Plus Eval accounts. The entry form will be available for the entire length of the stream, so you don't have to be there at a certain time. You can just stop in, fill out the entry form, and leave again if you want. Winner will be announced at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So join me for this special 9-hour stream. We used to do these every month. Maybe we'll bring them back. We'll see how this one goes. Hope you'll join me for some or all of this long futures trading live stream. So the form, as long as I can figure out how to do it, will be pinned to the top of the chat for the entire length of the stream. Hassan, you won't be disqualified, but I can't guarantee other people won't put a hit out on you. Haters gonna hate. Yeah, just broke up again. 210, 211, 212. Good call for those that went long, went long off that bounce. Excellent job. I know his name, and for $5, I'll tell you. Son starves to death. Look at this rise, this beautiful rise up. It's at the 5-minute chart. Looks like I'm always curious. So look at that. This is the 5-minute chart. This was one of those neon sign signals. You can see it moved up 30 points, more than that, like 40 points off that signal. These other blue candles would have worked, but this is the it's the most beautiful one. The most beautiful. You're almost there, Cossack. Oh, pulls back. You're almost there. Short. Oh, where's Topstep? I may go short, but I may do it on Topstep. See what the next candle wants to do. Nope. Nice. That's not nice. Wait, you forgot you were in a trade? Glad that worked out for you. That could have been bad. Did you have a stop loss on it? Not. That could have been a little hairy. Yep, there's that expression, rather be lucky than good. Trying to push back up. Oh, Hassan, you weren't on the evening stream last night. I actually took a trade on the NKD and got $150 off of it. Oh, now the whip back up there at the top of the hour. And we have reached the top of the hour, so I do want to thank everyone for joining me. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Remember, tomorrow, tonight, whatever you want to call it, in just 10, 14, 16? Is that right? No, it's not right. 15 short hours from now, we'll be starting a 9-hour live stream covering the London and the New York Opens. Hope you all join me for some or even all of that. I will see you then. You all have to help keep me awake. All right. Have a good trip. Tell mom I said hi. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you in 15 hours. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.